Hi guys, so today we're gonna do the maintenance on this Lennox ML unit. I just went inside, checked the capacitor for the blower, turned it on and disconnected the power switch for the unit. So before you do anything with the unit, switch the power off, and then we're gonna disassemble this, clean the condenser, then check the electrical and check the refrigerant on this unit. So let's get started. Got the hose ready, and let's start from this side. Alright, so it looks much better, much cleaner. Let's do the photo of the unit. Alright. Then I just brush the covers. Alright, now we're gonna put them back together. So you wanna do the bottom, you wanna put the screws on the bottom first. So, let's see. Just grab a few screws. Make sure your top is aligned. Then you insert the top, and then one screw here. Screw there. Grab another one. Now this will have to go inside the previous panel, so we slide that under. Screw. Do not worry about the top yet. We have to put the screws first in the bottom panel, and we'll worry about the top. Next one, it's gonna be this. One. Alright, before I secure the top, I take off the electrical panel. I'll show you why. Now, because now you see the wires from the fan motor are not in a cutout, so I have to lift this, get them in, and then try and close. Alright, now it's good here. Now we can secure the all the way around the top. And I got 4 screws left for the door. Let's get our brush. Make sure, like I said, the power is still off, so we're safe here. Okay. Okay, now we're starting with the capacitor. Let's grab my tools back here. Alright, so we're checking for microfarads, the fan side and the compressor side. We do 1 to common, 1 to fan. 8.7 out of 10. That's failed. That should be no less than 9.5. And then we got common to Herm, 42.37. So 42 out of 45%. We're lower. Don't get me wrong. This capacitor still works and will be working for who knows how long, but it fails the manufacturer specs, so we're just gonna put it on the report that it has failed the test. Alright, next thing, we are checking the contactor. The main thing I check here is the terminals, where the spring goes for the high voltage. If they aren't burnt, they look okay. It checks out. We're checking the condition of high voltage wires, low voltage, if it's not cut, insulation of the line, whip, disconnect box, everything looks fine. The unit is in level. So next thing for me will be to attach my probes and check for refrigerant, check for amperage for the fan and compressor too. But before I turn it on, I want to put my probes in. Alright, so connected my suction line probe, suction line temperature, liquid line. When we're gonna start it, I will be checking the amperage, like I said. So I'm gonna be comparing it right to the tag. So the compressor shouldn't be more than 21 and 2, fans shouldn't be more than 1.7 amps. And then we're gonna check the refrigerant. These are 2 of my temperature probes for the supply and return air. Alright, so just gonna place it here. About to start the unit. and they shut it off, of course, on the inside. Alright, let me go back and turn it on. Alright, so I restarted the unit. Let's check the amperage. So I got 9.6 for the compressor. 1.2 for the fan. Alright, so we ran for about 5 minutes. Not sure where to show you the readings. So these are our pressures and temperatures. Everything seems fine. We got 57 on a supply, 73. So we've got 10, 16 degrees difference, and it's dropping here. So got a good evaporator temperature. Subcooling is good, even though we have piston. Yeah, nothing to worry about as of right now. So I'm gonna take the probes back and disconnect everything and close the cover, and we'll be done here. Alright, so just finished the service call, wrapped everything up, and this is how the process of AC maintenance looks for basically every single AC unit we do. I got an inspection report that I go through and fill the stuff. And yeah, let me know if this was too detailed or I missed anything on this unit. Leave your thoughts in the comment section and hit the like button, and I will see you in the next one. Time for the snack.